आज के टाइम पर इंडियन बैडमिंटन की रियलिटी क्या है?
So I think we are in a very right direction. We are playing very well. Every year we are getting some titles here and there. Now we go with the expectations of winning medals in the Olympics, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, which is like India is becoming the powerhouse in badminton. This I'm talking about the highest level players, but imagine the youngsters who want to play the sport. They all are ready to win the Olympic medals. Saina can do it, Sindhu can do it. We can also be the best in the world. So everyone has that belief कि हम भी हाईएस्ट लेवल पे परफॉर्म करके मेडल लेके आ सकते हैं, विच वॉज नॉट देयर मे बी से इन 2000s एज मच, बट 2010-11 के बाद बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो एक मेंटल बिलीफ है ना, वो बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है.
बट आपके और सिंधु के टाइम पर काफी मतलब कंसिस्टेंसी हमने देखी थी
जी,
इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग मेडल्स.
जी.
अभी पेरिस ओलंपिक्स के बाद एकदम से जो ग्राफ है वो थोड़ा गिर गया है, तो इसकी वजह क्या है? मतलब हम इंडिया कहाँ लैग कर रहा है?
मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं अप डाउन्स होते रहते हैं. सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद चाइना. इफ यू सी, थोड़े अप डाउन्स हो रहे हैं. दे डोंट हैव दैट कंसिस्टेंसी लाइक बिफोर,
राइट.
and it happens with every country. So I feel at this point we have very good players, we have talented players. Sindhu is still playing. Body is quite good, she's taking the load. But as you age, sometimes it gets difficult to perform back to back. Lakshya is there. Yes, we expect him to win every time, but the challenge again, men's में challenge is very very tough. It's not easy. Women category में we still have 2, 3, 4 players who are at the same level. Yes, I think the way me and Sindhu performed from the age of 13, 14 to a long period of time, that is missing somewhere. I still feel that. Yes, I won't deny it, but we'll have to wait and watch. Maybe in the next 4, 5 years, I can definitely say we will have many more champions. But in men's, anyways, we have Lakshya, who's capable, who is already there. So maybe he can perform a lot better and become champion of many tournaments.
Don't you think it will be too late because like we have
Yeah.
Olympics in 2028 now?
I feel that every year we should keep getting the medals and results so that we are in touch of winning it. And sometimes suddenly भी medal आ सकता है. You never know how well you are prepared just before the Olympics. You never know. You just perform so well that you win the medal. So it's not about कि आपको rhythm कहाँ आता है या आपका fitness कहाँ peak होता है. It's just that they are experienced enough, they are good enough to perform at the highest level, and results can come anywhere. So इन लोगों के अलावा at this moment there are 3, 4 players, but at that time we had 10, 12 players.
Right.
So yes, the players at the highest level are less at the moment, but that's why I said कि हमें थोड़ा time देना पड़ेगा. It's not about 2028 Olympics or 32. It's about कभी भी champions आएं और अच्छा करें. एक चीज़ होती है बैडमिंटन में या डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट में, that you'll have to continuously keep winning and showing results to be in the public eye. That's the fact. अगर आप नहीं results लेके आते हैं, नहीं अच्छा करते हैं, तो obviously somewhere you lose out that rhythm and you are like people will keep questioning कि कोई player नहीं आ रहा है. So you'll have to keep winning and proving yourself in different sports. Still हमें और नॉलेज आए स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में एंड एक ऐसा नेशन बन जाए कि ऑब्वियसली वी आर होपिंग टू होस्ट दी 2036 Olympics, but we become someone like US, China, Australia to get so many medals as well. तो जब तक वो चीज़ें नहीं improve होती हैं, we will have to that's the fact which I will tell, that you will have to keep showing results. इसलिए stress और बढ़ जाता है क्योंकि आपको every tournament, I just mentioned you have to play 17 tournaments in a year. That means you just have 1-2 weeks in a month to prepare and come back. उसी में इंजरी ठीक होनी चाहिए, फिर prepare and come back, keep your body in shape, no injuries again. Stress तो वो चीज़ एक रहता है. ओलंपिक्स के लिए you'll have to be in top 16 of the world. That is also there, and in doubles you'll have to be top 8. The pressure is very very high on the players. You will have to keep winning and showing results.
प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. हम आपके सपोर्ट से और भी बेहतर गेस्ट हम अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पर ला सकते हैं. प्लीज़ शेयर दिस एपिसोड विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड कमेंट.